Hey loves, in today's video I'll be creating this bright yellow eye makeup and pairing it with this gorgeous purple lip. This look is inspired by Miss Venti Vegas. I was scrolling on Instagram looking at makeup pictures as always, and I came across this picture and was totally inspired to recreate her look. I'm using my E.L.F. blending eye brush to gently tap the yellow eyeshadow from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place in and above my crease. And I'm using a tapping motion just to build up the opacity of the shadow. Then I'm going to go in and start blending it out. Now I'm taking my AOA E113 and I'm going into the Solar Flare palette by BH Cosmetics and packing the shade Wavelength onto my lid. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone using the LA Colors matte eyeshadow in the shade French Vanilla on my ColorMates eyeshadow brush. I'm highlighting my brow bone further by adding a shimmery shadow. I'm using the shade Orb from the Solar Flare palette using that same ColorMates brush. I cleaned up my eyeshadow and I placed a piece of tape as a guide for my eyeliner. And the eyeliner I'm using is by E.L.F. It is their liquid liner. It's $2 and it's amazing. Today was a pretty good eyeliner day. I did go back afterwards and continue to clean up the edge of it. To clean up my eyeliner, I used some of my concealer and I just made the line nice and sharp. Now I'm going to use my Bazic Beauty concealer brush to gently blend it out. I'm now applying a coat of the LA Colors DramatiLash Defining Mascara. I'm applying the Miss 3D Volume Lash in the style M314, and after the glue dried, I went back over and fixed my eyeliner. Going back to the Zulu palette, I'm bringing that yellow shadow down along my lower lash line using the AOA E115. And as I did before, I'm starting off with the patting motion to build up the opacity of the shadow. Now that I have the shadow built up to my liking, I'm using back and forth motions to blend it out. I'm applying a coat of the LA Colors Eyetensity Amplifying Mascara. I'm lining my waterline with the Nicka K 24-Hour Waterproof Eyeliner. To complete the eye makeup, I am using my E.L.F. Small Smudge Brush to highlight the inner corner of my eye with the AOA Studio Velour eyeshadow in the shade Holiday. For blush, I am using the LA Colors matte eyeshadow in the shade Forbidden. And this is actually 50 cents at Dollar General. They have a lot of 2 for $1 items, so that's awesome. And I'm using the Real Techniques Mini Medium Blush Brush. I was not recording when I thought I was, so I made this cute little collage. For my highlight, I used this really pretty gold shade from the LA Colors Light Up and Glow palette using my AOA F19. To complete the makeup look, I am applying the Nicka K Matte Silky Stick in the shade Revolver. Here's my completed Miss Venti Vegas inspired eye makeup look. I think it came out fantastic. I only wish that I had a lip color similar to the one that she's wearing in the picture, but I think the deep purple that I went with suits the eye makeup just as well. All of the products that I used will be listed down below in the description, as well as a link to her Instagram account. She posts some really amazing makeup pics. Go ahead and drop a comment down below telling me what you thought, and until next time, bye loves!